Welcome back to LensVid, photography fans. Today we're reviewing the Ulanzi VideoFast tripod. Let's see how quick it really is. Ready, set, go. The bag is nicely padded, and there's 2 Allen keys in a large interior pocket, and Velcro ties on either side to prevent the tripod from sliding around. But it's a tight fit, so I didn't bother and I still didn't have any issues. With the Manfrotto plate attached, it pops right into place. The locking mechanism is very secure. It slides back and forth so you can balance it, and there are 2 pins to prevent your setup from sliding off. It's close to 3 feet tall, folded down, 29 inches at its lowest height, and almost 5.5 feet at its highest. There's the bubble level, and you can adjust the position of the bowl using this twist handle. It was pretty easy to get this large lens balanced using the counterbalance set at 3 kilograms. The handle attaches via an exchangeable rosette that can be placed on either side and fully rotated, and the pan and tilt lockdown twist knobs are located on the same side. The tilt and pan functions have a 0 position with no resistance and 6 levels of resistance. The highest level in both mechanisms was about half of what I would like to use, and the subsequent differences between the levels are subtle, possibly too subtle. As I used the VideoFast to capture surfers, planes, boats, I noticed that it was easier to smoothly track faster subjects. With a higher drag setting, I think this head could do even better with super slow movements. Check out the detachable carry handle. It screws in via any one of 3/4 inch 20 points on each side of the tripod, and there's a 4th attachment point opposite the bubble level. One of the provided Allen keys is for the screw and gear assembly just above where the spreader attaches. I assumed this would let me adjust the tension on the clasps as they are quite stiff, but it turned out this actually adjusted the leg tension. I would rather have control over the clasp tension and either have the leg tension tied to that same adjustment or just have it at one reliable setting that cannot be changed. The mid-level spreader was easy enough to use, and it made closing the tripod a breeze, but it did seem a bit more flexible than I expected when I extended it to the widest position. That said, I couldn't detect any issues when my camera was mounted or afterward visually in my footage. The tripod's feet are a common design now, where the feet are held onto the bottom of the legs with strong synthetic rubber-like bands holding a flexible ball joint in place. These can be removed to use the double spikes, which are probably better than single spikes. Removing these is a bit cumbersome, but it might not be realistic to expect a more sophisticated design at this price point. The Ulanzi VideoFast tripod offers a set of features for light to medium weight setups, and there's really nothing out there that can compete yet at this price. It can be purchased for $599 on the official Ulanzi website, Amazon, and B&H. Share your tripod questions in the comments. Thanks for joining us, and do subscribe so you don't miss our next LensVid review. See you then.